Hey guys, what's up? It's Assclown Productions here, and here's Jonas Hoffman and Adam, two of the members. Francis is not here; he could not make it somehow. But anyway, I'm Jackson. You know me. But I'm just over here spending the night, and we're just making a ton of Assclown videos because we want to, and we're just bored. So check out all the videos from tonight; they're pretty funny. But anyway. Adam here, he's got an egg. Just a random egg, hasn't been hard boiled yet. I don't know what he's eating right now, but we're gonna put the egg in the microwave. Apparently it's gonna explode. We're just trying it out. But anyway, here we go.
It's gonna be pretty funny, Jack.
Just watch. You can get up close, it won't do anything, I promise.
I can see it fine. "41 seconds. It's getting ready to blow up, I think.
It's getting ready to blow up.
Holy shit, this is gonna be awesome.
Watch, here it goes. Here it goes.
Looks like there's just crap coming out of it.
No, it will blow up, I promise.
Whoa! That was awesome! That's the coolest stuff we've ever done.
That was the loudest thing ever. But anyway. I hope his mom doesn't get mad. But anyway, everyone rate, comment, subscribe, and check out all our other videos here. See you later.